Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Open your digital marketplace. This tutorial unveils the art of adding products to your Weebly website. From images to descriptions, learn the alchemy of presenting your wares to the digital world. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So, the first thing guys that I will need you to do is to simply head up to weebly.com, as you can see right in front of us. After you do so, simply all I'm going to ask you to do is to head up to your items right over here. Click on Site Items, and as you can see here, you will be able to add new items. These items are basically the product that you are going to sell. So, here we go. Click on Create a New Item. And here we go. So this page, we are going to go through it step by step and understand the fundamental of it. Now before we go through this page, we have to decide a product to be our example for this video. So I'm going to use something from AliExpress. So this first thing that will appear to my eyes, I will take it. So here we go. Let's take this pad. There we go. I'm going to take that. And there we have it. So what I'm going to do simply is to take a couple pictures of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some screenshots. Here I am. Let's make it like that. Let's make it bigger. And it seems like a good picture. So now I'm going to save it, pad, and I'm going to add it right here. So this is the pad that we are going to sell. So here we have to choose the type of the service that we are going to sell. Is it prepared food or beverages? We are not going to sell food here. We don't own a restaurant, so we are not going to choose that. If it was an event, so you are selling tickets for a party, for like occasion, well then you have to do so. If it was digital, for example, you are selling something that is downloadable as a file, ebook, art, music, something like that, well, you have to go for digital. Donations is basically when you're trying to collect donation for a specific reason. Membership, when you are trying to give membership for your audience or your clients, depending on what is your business is. And finally, here we have other, best for items you fulfill manually. So for now, what I'm gonna do is to choose physical, because this pad is basically a physical thing. So there we go. Now we have to give it a title. Let's get the title from AliExpress and keep it as it is. So here it is. We can keep it simple, but I'm gonna keep it like that. Here for the price, I'm going to copy the same price here, but just let me make sure to change currency here to US dollar. Save. Alright, the price is $83. So I'm going to copy it. And yeah, let's copy it, paste it here. And for the price itself, 220. So 220. Here we have to add a description. For the description, we can copy the whole description that they have right here. Here we go. We have to copy everything. Paste it here. Perfect. And the next thing that you have to go for is basically the visibility. There is three options. Either this product is going to be visible for everyone in your website, either it's going to be hidden, and hidden it means only people with the link can actually see the product, and unavailable. Unavailable is basically even if they have the link, they can't really join the page of the product unless they go through it through the admin account. Here we have the fulfillment. How would you like your shoppers to receive this item? You would like them to like basically pick up it from you, or you would like to ship it to them. Well, we can check both items if you would like to have them both. In case you would like only one, for example pick up, then you can do whatever you want. So here we are going to go with shipping, and we have to put the weight of this product. So here net weight is less than 500 gram, so I'm going to put like 0.5. 0.5 seems good. So next taxes apply. via Square Online point of sale. Here the item ID, we can give it like a random ID, but for now we don't really have any item ID, so we're just gonna ignore this one. Here for the cost, we're not going to add it as well, so the item ID we're not going to add it. Here for optional pricings, well, what does it mean, options and pricing? Well, here for example, let's say that you are selling iPhone. iPhone has so many versions. What I mean with versions is basically, for example, we have iPhone 15. iPhone 15 has three different types: iPhone 15 Pro, an iPhone 15 Pro Max, and iPhone 15 Mini. Each one of these iPhones has their own colors. If it was gold or platinum, they're gonna be much expensive. So in that case, we shouldn't simply just keep creating new products from scratch and just changing the price. No. In one page of the main product, we are going to add here variations of these products itself. Add option. Here you can add the size or the color. For example, here I'm just going to add, for example, 8 gigabytes, and click on next. Here you would like to simply add drop down and add a list of options for your shopper to select from your site. So 8 gigabytes, add option, 16 gigabytes, add option, 32 gigabytes, and then next. Save option to set up your order. So for example here, save option set, like RAMs. And as you can see, we have added here new options. Here you can simply add variation for the price. So here you can simply just put the amount of the price that you want to sell for, and the price will be changing depending on which type of product the customer has chosen from you, and the weight also. You can even add a specific SKU for these products. Here you can add the amount of product that you have, for example 10, 25, 50, 100, depending on your limits of your stock. And here basically the modifiers. Modifiers is basically once you have, for example, let's say that you are selling t-shirts. You can let people to actually print their t-shirts, and using these t-shirts they can actually make like a custom design on this t-shirt. You can print a text on it or something like that. Well, it is completely up to you if you want to add it or not. Here we have categories. If you want to choose a category, you have to create a category and add it to it. I have this category already. And here for the search engine optimization, which is SEO, you can here add a permalink. So for example, here we can name it iPad. Here the SEO title, we can name it iPad. And for description, you have to add a lot of text so it can optimize your SEO in general. And yeah guys, that was basically it. Now all we need to do is to simply click on save right here, and you have added a new product or item to your Weebly website. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.